Welcome to the best picks. The best Ninja Kidz Toys is probably one of the most popular and sought-after toy lines for kids who love ninjas, action, and adventure. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Ninja Kidz TV toys, exploring the different sets, characters, and features that make them so appealing, and ultimately help you decide if these toys are the right fit for your little ninjas. Number 5. Pick a Toy Ninja Flyers. Introducing Light Up Ninja Flyers. These aren't your average throwing stars, they glow in the dark, adding an extra element of fun to any game. They come in 3 vibrant colors, making them even more exciting to play with, especially at night. It's like having a fun, active night light. Made from a soft yet durable rubber, they can withstand rough play indoors and outdoors. Kids can throw, toss, and play catch without worrying about breakage. These flyers encourage active play and imaginative fun. Kids will love feeling like real ninjas, creating their own games and adventures. Looking for a fun gift? These Ninja Star Flyers make a fantastic birthday present or party favor for kids of all ages. They're sure to be a hit. What we like. It lights up, is made of soft rubber, and makes a great gift. If you are looking for active indoor-outdoor fun, or a unique present, this is perfect for imaginative play and exciting games. Kids will love the soft, safe, and fun design. What people say. I got this for one of my nephew's birthday gifts since he loves ninjas, and I was pleasantly surprised by the quality and size. I thought they'd be tiny, but they actually weren't. I really like the material. It's a soft rubbery silicone, so it can't shatter as easily as compared to regular plastic. Turning on and off the LED lights is super easy and doesn't require instructions. These are awesome. I got them for my 6-year-old son for his birthday, but the whole family had fun playing with them, littlest to oldest. My kids have made up the most creative games and genuinely had such a great time playing with them. They're soft, so if thrown at someone, they don't hurt. The LED lights are bright and everything is well constructed. It's got a nice easy button to turn on the lights, and the rubbery material it is made of is great to throw and not worry about it hurting their siblings. Number 4. Ninja Kidz T. Give your child the coolest look with our new official Ninja Kidz T. It's comfortable, stylish, and perfect for everyday wear or special occasions. This shirt is made from high-quality materials, ensuring it's soft, durable, and long-lasting. Your child will love the feel of it. It's designed for comfort and freedom of movement, so your child can play and have fun all day long. They'll stay cool and comfortable no matter what they're doing. The awesome ninja design will make your child stand out from the crowd. It's a perfect way to show off their ninja spirit. Dress your little ninja in style and comfort. This tee is the perfect addition to any child's wardrobe. Find the perfect fit for your child. It is available in a range of sizes to suit children of all ages. What we like. It's officially licensed, has a cool design, and lets kids show their ninja style. If your child is a fan and you want to support their passion, this is the perfect way to let them express themselves. This is a must-have for any true ninja fan. What people say. Perfect fit and nicely made. It's a t-shirt, my son loves it and always wants to wear it and be a ninja now. Size runs pretty accurate. Good quality. This is my son's fave shirt. Number 3. Ninja Kidz TV Plush. Meet Ashton, the 12-inch Ninja Kidz TV plush buddy. He's super soft and cuddly, perfect for playtime or bedtime. The Ninja Kidz family, including Ashton, won a Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Award. Now your child can join the winning team. With this plush figure, your child can unleash their inner ninja. It's just like having their favorite YouTube star as a cuddly friend. Standing 12 inches tall, it's the perfect size for hugs and adventures. Plus, its removable sais add to the fun. Ashton is one of 4 awesome characters. Collect them all to build an unstoppable ninja squad. This plush is a great gift for kids aged 3 and up who love ninjas. It's perfect for boys, girls, and anyone who wants a cuddly ninja friend. What we like. It's a soft plush toy with a removable weapon and is part of a collectible set. If you're looking for a cuddly companion for your child, or want to start a collection, this is a great choice. It's perfect for bedtime or playtime, offering comfort and fun. What people say. The quality is great and the size is perfect for kids to carry it around. Super cute and good quality. Durable, soft, and kids love it. Number 2. Ninja Kidz Bryton Plush. Meet Bryton, the 12-inch plush buddy from Ninja Kidz TV. He's soft, cuddly, and ready for adventure. The Ninja Kidz family, including Bryton, won a Nickelodeon Kids' Choice Award. Now your child can join the winning team. With this plush figure, your child can unleash their inner ninja. It's just like having their favorite YouTube star as a friend. Standing 12 inches tall, he's the perfect pal for playtime and bedtime. He even comes with removable katanas. Bryton is one of 4 awesome Ninja Kidz characters. Collect them all to build your ultimate ninja squad. This super soft plush is a great gift for kids ages 3 and up who love ninjas. It's fun for boys and girls alike. What we like. It's a soft plush toy with a removable weapon and is part of a collectible set. If you're looking for a cuddly companion for your child, or want to start a collection, this is a great choice. It's perfect for bedtime or playtime, offering comfort and fun. What people say. Super cute and good quality. About the size of a regular Sprite bottle from the gas station. The quality is great and the size is perfect for kids to carry it around. It's great gift choice for kids who love this character. My boys each wanted a Ninja Kidz plush and they were completely satisfied. Number 1. Spy Ninjas Training Kit. Get ready for adventure with this awesome kit. It has everything you need to become a master spy ninja. This katana is more than just a sword. It hides a spyglass in its handle for secret missions and includes detachable ninja star hilts. The hidden spyglass lets you observe your opponents from afar, giving you the upper hand in any mission. With the sonic star, you can stun your enemies. It lights up and makes over 15 different sounds and phrases. The kit also includes a utility belt, decoder wheel, headband, certificate, ID card, decoder card, and 2 activity books to enhance your training. Everything you need to start your spy ninja adventure is right here. Get ready to take on any mission. If you have any questions about your new spy ninja gear, contact Playmates Toys customer service for assistance. What we like. It features a transforming katana with secret features and is perfect for ninja training. If your child loves spy gadgets and interactive play, this is the ultimate set for imaginative missions and adventures. It's a great way to encourage creative storytelling and active play. What people say. My granddaughter opened it and was ecstatic over all the stuff she found in the box. I bought the Spy Ninjas Ninja Training Bundle for my son's birthday and he loved it. He was so excited to open the box and see all the cool gadgets and gear inside. He immediately put on the ninja mask and gloves and started practicing his moves with the nunchucks and the spy pen. He also loved the access code to the Spy Ninjas app, where he could watch videos, play games and learn more about being a spy ninja. He loves the Spy Ninjas, loves the gadget. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.